I am going to show you how to add a strand of either a ribbon or crystal to a 3-strand braid. Just one strand. So I'll be using my 9-core braids braiding cap where we have yellow, orange, red, and pink. Because it's a 3-strand braid, I will be removing pink out of the way. So let's go quickly through a 3-strand braid. I will always start with yellow. Yellow is going to go into the middle above orange. Red is going to go in the middle above yellow. Orange is going to go in the middle above red. Yellow goes in the middle above orange. Red goes in the middle above yellow. And orange goes in the middle above red. So 3-strand braid, the outside strand goes into the middle above the previous one. Now to add a strand, I will be using pink to represent my strand of either ribbon or my strand of rhinestones or crystals. I am going to grab 2 strands of pink, and this will represent the strand that gets included inside the 3-strand braid. I will be putting it behind red, kind of in the middle between orange and red towards the back. I'm going to start with yellow. Yellow is going to go in the middle. Now the way you include a strand, one strand, pink is going to go above yellow in the front, and then it's going to go back up from the back. So you're essentially going around yellow, but very specifically from the front, going down in front of yellow, then back up in the back. And then pink essentially then aims upwards, and it's going to want to come back down. But it's going to come back down when I bring red in. So the next strand to go in is red. Red is going to go in the middle, and as you can see, I am holding pink above red. Pink is now going to go in front of red, down, and then it's going to go around red from the back, going back up. Next is going to be orange. Orange is going to go in the middle. Pink is above orange. It is now going to go in front of orange, and then going back around from the back, and then aiming back up. Pink always ends aiming back upwards. So let's keep going. Yellow goes in the middle. Pink is going to go in front of yellow, and then to the back, and back up. I'm going to hold it with my finger. Red is going to go in the middle. Pink is going to go in front of red, down, back up and around in the back, and then aiming back up. Orange is next. It goes in the middle. Pink is going to now go down in front of orange, back up and around, and with aiming upwards. Next is yellow. Yellow is going in the middle. Pink is now going to go in front of yellow, back up and around, and we have enough for one more. Red is going to go in the middle. Pink is going to come down in front of red and to the back, and it's too short to keep going, so we're going to stop right here with orange going in the middle and tying the hair right there. So as you can see, with one strand added to a 3-strand braid, the strand ends up breaking off to the right and breaking off to the left, giving it a very specific look. Let's go ahead and try this now on a mannequin head. On the mannequin head, I went ahead and took the crown area and tied it right here so we can do our 3-strand braid. I took an 1/8 of an inch ribbon and I attached it to my hair tie in the back so that you don't see it. So now we're going to start the 3-strand braid, and I'm going to start with yellow. Yellow is going to go in the middle, and from here I'm going to bring out my ribbon that's in the back, and from the top it's going to go in front of yellow and then around yellow and come back up. Next we have red. Red's going to go in the middle. The ribbon from the top is going to make its way down in front of red to then go around red and come back to the top. Next we have orange. Orange is going in the middle. The ribbon is going to come back down, be in front of orange, to then go around orange, and then bring it back to the top. Next strand to go in the middle from the right. Here we are. Ribbon from the top is going to come back down, go around this strand from the front to the back, and come back on top. Strand from the left goes into the middle. Ribbon is going to come back down from the top. It's going to be in the front of that strand and going back around. And now I'm going to just hold the ribbon with my thumb. So I'm going to continue braiding. Continue wrapping the middle strand with my ribbon. Holding it with my fingers. Left strand is going to go in the middle. There it is. Ribbon is going to go around from the front, going a full circle back around. Holding it with my thumb, aiming it upwards. Next strand to go in the middle from the right, going into the middle. There's my ribbon coming down in front of it to go all the way around and coming back on top. Holding it with my thumb. Left strand going into the middle. Here's my ribbon going to the front, all the way around and back out to from the top. But now I'm going to be done braiding, so I'm just going to hold on to my ribbon. I'm going to hold it downwards, and I'm going to continue braiding with the right hand strand. And then I'm also going to braid with the left just to finish it. And then I'm going to tie it right here. So as you can see, when you are only using one strand of ribbon or crystals or rhinestones, what you get is details on the sides of the braid.